Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. Today, we are diving into the role of nutrition in cancer prevention. Think of your body as a high performance race car. To keep it running at its best, you need to have highest quality fuel. And that's the same for our bodies. Research shows that a diet rich in plant-based foods can help you protect against cancer. Foods like cruciferous vegetables, onions, and leafy greens are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Did you know that letting garlic sit for 10 to 20 minutes after chopping releases its anti-cancer fighting compounds? And remember, combine turmeric with black pepper to boost absorption of its powerful curcumin, another powerful cancer preventative compound. Today's simple change is to add at least one cancer preventative food to your meals. Start with something easy, like adding some cabbage and onions to a leafy green salad and have it for lunch and dinner, just like me. So join me on this journey to better health. Small changes can make big difference. See you tomorrow for day 3.